you looking to invest in an explainer video? Want to create the videos that explain your product or service in just 60 to 90 seconds? Explainer videos are a great way to engage potential customers and introduce them to your business. Here are some of the effective tips to create the best explainer video. Tip 1. Have a proper video script. Tip 2. Keep your video short. Use appealing background music. End your video with a call to action. These simple tips will drive more traffic to your website and increase engagement.